The question comes up again and again. How do van lifers make money? I want to try van life, but I don't want to be stuck eating rats' heads. Well, let's take a look. Welcome to Swellers and Dwellers. There are an endless number of ways I've heard of people making money on the road, but I've gone and organized them into 5 areas. Number 1, YouTube celebrity millionaire. Just kidding. Leverage any skills or trades that you might have. This is the easiest way to make good money. Most cities and even small towns will have businesses that are more than willing to give you temporary work to help out with staff shortages because you require minimal training. The types of jobs are really unlimited, from retail to restaurants, landscaping and construction. You know what skills you have, so get out there and market them. Number 2, remote freelancing. In this category, I'm lumping together more of the online work. Now, a lot of this is easier if you have some experience, but if you don't, there's a ton of resources to help you get some skills you need. In the video description, I put some links to websites that will help you develop skills. Again, the opportunities are plentiful, everything from client support to virtual assistants, administration, to writing and editing, data entry, translation, transcription, graphics design, computer programming, website and video creation, marketing. There's got to be something there that tweaks your interest. How do you find out about these jobs? Well, there's a lot of websites that help connect employers to people like you. Some of these websites will even help you find jobs from the previous category. In the video description, I've put links to several of these types of websites to get you started. Number 3, teach English or another language online. Now, admittedly, there used to be a lot more opportunity in this area, teaching Chinese students, but their government has recently clamped down on this, but there is still opportunity out there. And in many cases, you don't even need any certificates or any experience. Again, in the video description, I put some links to websites that connect teachers to students. Number 4, be a squirrel. Here's what I mean. Squirrels work like crazy for a few months in the summer, stuffing their cheeks full and creating a huge food cache so that they can sit back and chill out for the winter. Seasonal and temporary work. The attraction of these seasonal and temporary jobs is that they tend to pay quite well because the work is temporary and you have to work pretty hard, but only for a short time. Do this a few times a year, bank some good cash, and then you can take the rest of the year off and relax. Again, there's all kinds of opportunities for this if you look. Everything from the beet harvest to working at ski resorts or summer camps to crab fishing in Alaska, tree planting in the summer, and Christmas tree harvesting in the fall. The other good thing about these types of opportunities is they tend to attract a community of like-minded people, so you might even meet a few new friends. Now, although this next option technically fits in other categories, I'm going to give it its own because it's been specifically created and marketed for schoolie, RV, and van lifers. Love 'em or hate 'em, it's the Amazon CamperForce. The Amazon CamperForce provides great seasonal jobs at a growing number of state-of-the-art Amazon warehouse locations across the US. You could pick, pack, and ship customer orders in a highly technological and safe work environment. All it takes is applying and reserving your own nearby camp spot, of which they'll subsidize the cost of. Both full and part-time hours are available. There's a link in the video description to this program if you're interested. Like I mentioned at the outset, this is not an exhaustive list. There are so many types of things you can do, you just have to open your mind and explore. But I hope this video has simply given you some ideas and got you a start. If you don't just think I'm some sort of crazy lunatic, well then I'd be humbled if you would consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up. It's the only way you can support me and let me know you like what I'm doing and you want me to continue. Until next time, keep living your dreams. Bye for now.